we did with Hurricane Sandy. How was it?
Well, maybe tomorrow, too.
That would be nice.
Bye. Be careful.
Eat the snow.
Did you walk over?
No, I parked over on our road.
Oh, I think you were.
No, go right here. I'm right there.
All right, Tyler, you make sure she doesn't fall.
Okay.
Tyler, I don't think you watched the show at all.
I don't care.
I don't think any of you guys did.
Why do we have to walk? It's snowing and
Oh,
wet.
enjoy this.
Enjoy the snow. I want it to be over.
Don't you like this?
The result of living in Pennsylvania.
Well, do you have fun with your friends?
Sort of. Oh yeah, I did.
I'm gonna put, yeah.
See, we're the only one parked over here.
Oh.
Oh.
Nobody's even home. Tommy's not even home. I don't even know where he is. I better
Ah. Open the door. It's not okay.
I honestly did not know it was supposed to snow tonight.
Yeah, you obviously didn't know. The windshield's covered with snow.
Whee! Oh my god. What the heck?
What the heck?
Okay, can you look out there? The back for me?
How do I look out the back?
Oh, there's your car's not coming because I can't see.
Oh, there's no cars coming.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. You can't see. I can see
Yeah.
fine.
Wow, it's like a blizzard.
Hope we don't have school tomorrow.
You're gonna school tomorrow.
Well, at least a delay.
It's like a freak thing.
Check the radar when you go home.
Yeah, I know. I swear to God, they did not say any snow tonight. I watched the news. I just worry like Terry driving. Terry lives far. I mean, us, we're right here.
Is anybody home?
No.
The
I have no
backlight's
idea where
the backlight's on.
it is.
Yeah. The garage is
Maybe
open.
we
Oh,
left
dude.
it. Maybe accidentally put it on before. I better text Dad. I better text Tony. I don't know where Tony is. He is-
8:10. Well, I helped Mr. Wagner with the chairs.
Tyler,
What?
honestly, I couldn't hear anything with them up there.
Why?
I just couldn't hear. It was like or something. I mean, it wasn't just me. Everybody was saying that.
I don't know.
Why if I talking to Terry? Trying to see him in a while. And I sat with Josh's mom too. Oh, the snow on the land.
Oh.
Oh, well, we had one. That was your last one. No more.
Going to high school. Ah. Good night. Yep. Maybe. Ah. Oh my god. Oh. You snowed a blizzard. You saw the blizzard of... Yeah. What's in my pocket? Oh. 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 That was a blizzard. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment. And like. See ya.